guys, welcome back to Asphalt Cowboys TV. We're gonna take out the subframe of this old girl. She's crooked as a fucking politician. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice time. As you can see, it's so blown out, it's kind of like sitting crooked, if you can tell. You probably can't, but yeah. Do you see that? Yeah, boys and girls. So, enjoy. What's up?
The most organized person I've ever met in my life. Look at all these tools and Bubba Burmans. The fuck is this? What the hell?
So
My boy Tommy, he out here, dude.
that's whenever he hit that wall of Painesville. Tom killed 3 deer the other day and he dropped it off up the road and it's processed, and now he's thawing out some of the steaks for us to eat in a little bit. And while he's doing that, Sam and I are still in the garage and we are going ahead and starting to remove the subframe. And Sam right now is removing the drive shaft, trying to. Tommy's super organized, so it's real nice to find the tools just right where they're supposed to be.
Yeah, thanks, Tommy. So, yeah, we're just gonna take the drive shaft out. We got the calipers off. Tommy's drive shaft already cut the e-brake cables for us. So, should be pretty easy to get this thing out.
Easy peasy.
It's been apart like 7 times. They're gonna be tight.
Huh?
They're gonna be really tight.
How tight?
I don't know how tight that should be.
You sure you've been lubing them up every once in a while?
Oh yeah. I would have pissed off.
I did watch you that one day.
Fucking changed. They are factory tight, never removed, and I think we might need heat.
Probably one of the only things never removed.
Yeah, right.
For real.
We're gonna mark the nut because I don't know if it's gonna break or not. Just gonna make sure the nut's spinning and not the whole studs. That means it'll snap. It's so hard to feel it because we're using a big ass breaker bar, but it's one trick I use. Yep, I'm not spinning it.
We're in the clear.
Dude, I've been dreading that for months. This one too.
We're gonna pull the bolts out of these brackets here. And then it's coming down. We got the e-brake cables disconnected on one side. Loosened all the subframe bolts. Make sure those aren't gonna break. And yeah. Now we're just gonna pull it out.
Never pull out.
You could like try hitting it up.
You don't need them.
2 for 2.
Sam fucking put the thing on it. You can't really see, but
Oh my god.
What size is that?
What an ass.
let me show you what Sam did.
What'd you do?
Put the lift on the
Yeah. He was like, make sure you don't do that, and did it.
Subframe's finally ready to come out. Tom's grabbing the jack. Sam's gonna lower it.
That was fucking easy.
So, we got it out. It's actually not as fucking dirty as I thought it was gonna be.
But that was why I was wheel hopping and breaking axles.
Left and right and right and left.
And it's cracked right here.
I'm gonna have to weld that up right there.
Should be enough. No.
Sweet.
Which one? Not bad, not bad. I didn't even fuck up the hole.
Why focus on something else, dude? I just smashed my fucking thing.
Alright. Dose, numero dos.
Two more.
So tell them what we're doing. We're just cutting it.
Yeah, you cut so you can take a flat chisel, a sharp chisel, and well, first you want to cut out, if you still have these bushings in there, you want to cut the bushing out, and then just bend the top of it with a chisel so you can see it, and just cut through it, and then they'll just pop right out.
We got all 4 OEM bushings out, and the races are out. We ended up using an air hammer because that was easier. So now all we gotta do is clean up these holes and this subframe. Is there these fucking bushings in it?
Where are the bushings?
In the freezer so that they could shrink up.
You look tired.
The most pain in the ass one. It's always the last one.
Extra grease on that.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So.
So basically just roughed up both these edges because there's a bunch of I mean, that fits. I still need a hammer, so.
We officially got all 4 subframe bushings in the subframe.
Should we drop it down on it now?
Pretty good.
We're gonna need washers, right?
And I'd pressure wash it too.
Okay, so we have all the bushings in. It is back up in the car, and this is what we're looking at. So there's fronts, there's the back. We're gonna put some washers up in there because the threading is a little long, and we're gonna wrap it up. Put these brakes on, wheels, and that's it.
Tom's looking for a washer or washers because we need about 1,000 of them.
We're about
How's it looking down there, Sam? So we're gonna go ahead, put washers on it, bond it up, get it all. He almost died. But we're gonna wrap the video up here. Thanks again for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. As always, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Peace out. Thanks again.